In this video, I'll guide you through how to show your Chime virtual card number. Whether you're new to using Chime or just need a quick refresher, I'm here to help you step by step. Let's get started. First things first, you'll want to open the Chime app on your device. Once you have it open, go ahead and sign in with your credentials. If you don't have the app yet, you can easily download it from your app store. This app is your gateway to managing your finances on the go, so it's worth having handy. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the top left corner of your screen. You'll see a settings option there. Give that a tap. This is where you can control various aspects of your Chime account, from personal information to card management. Now, scroll down until you see the cards section and tap on it. This area is specifically dedicated to managing your physical and virtual cards. As you scroll, you'll notice options for different types of cards associated with your account. The one we're interested in today is your virtual card. Select your virtual card by tapping on it. Virtual cards are a great feature because they give you an extra layer of security for online transactions. They work just like a physical card but are entirely digital, making them super convenient for online shopping or subscriptions. After selecting your virtual card, look for the option that says Show Card Number. Tap on it. Before you can view your card details, you might be prompted to complete some verification steps. This could be anything from a quick fingerprint scan to entering a security code. This step ensures that your sensitive information is kept safe and secure, protecting you from unauthorized access. Once you've completed the necessary verification, your virtual card number will be displayed on your screen. And there you have it. You now have access to your virtual card details whenever you need them, whether for making purchases or updating payment information on your favorite apps. Remember, your virtual card number is just like your physical card number, so treat it with the same level of security. Avoid sharing it with anyone you don't trust, and always ensure that your Chime app is updated to the latest version for maximum security. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to view your Chime virtual card number. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to stay updated with more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and have a great day managing your finances with ease.